Hi, this is Greg from Sungro, talking to you today with the product lines that we specialize in growing media. First, we're going to be talking about Black Gold. Black Gold is the OMRI listed natural and organic leading brand in the industry today. We do not sell any of the chain stores like your Home Depot, Lowe's, and Walmart. You won't see it there, but you'll see it at a garden center. Besides Black Gold, we also have the Fafford line. It's a regional line that's been produced in the Northeast. It has everything from premium potting soil to premium topsoil, etc. So you can really fill out your whole line. And again, not sold in the chain stores, specially formulated for the Northeast. Lastly, we have Proven Winners, the #1 plant brand, and we also make the fertilizers and soils from that. It complements the Proven Winners brand of plants that you're stocking today. Thank you so much for having us and seeing what our line is all about.